Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2015 Suzuki SFV650. It's the Gladius model, this one. We're going to grab the camera and have a good... Okay, let's go and get a close look at this Suzuki. It is HPI clear. Does come with a spare key in the pack as well. It's only one form of key for this one. We'll do start the front, we'll work all the way around the bike, get a good look at the condition. It's got a few little marks here and there, nothing major. Let's have a look at the front wheel and the mud guard. It does have ABS on this. It's in blue and white, this one. Really popular bike, these ones. The nickname the Gladius. So it's got a new oil filter on there as well. Try and get a good look in at the rear shock there. Look at the chain and sprocket. It does have the paddock stand bobbins on there as well. You can use a paddock stand with it. Let's get a look at the seat and over the top of the tank. You also notice it's got a Givey top box on it. Let's get a look at it from the back. We'll move round to the right hand side. Do the same again. Get a look at the plastics on the side of the tank. Let's get a look in at the engine on this side. Just have the tubular steel frame on this. Let's get a look at the back wheel. And the exhaust. Everything's standard on this, apart from that top box that's on it. Get a good look down. Low down on the bike, and we'll finish up on the front wheel on this right hand side. What we'll do now, we'll go up, take a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's have a look at the controls. So pretty standard: front brake, throttle, kill switch and starter. And over to the other side you've got your clutch, your lights, indicators, horn and hazards. So let's flick this on, get a look at the miles. Well, it's done 24,572. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.somanyBikes.com. www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.